if you want to try and be successful, it is a little bit cynical to say it, but it's really, really important to choose an industry that is on the up.
Yeah.
So, for instance, magazines in the 2000s, not a great industry to join because it's not on the up. And there are many, many examples, of course. I think it's so important because it goes back to my argument about a lot of things are out of your control. And when I was running the automotive business, the fact of the matter is digital disruption was absolutely crucifying magazines, and we weren't responding to it. As incumbents, we weren't responding to it correctly. There was very little I could have done, really. Looking back on it, at the time you blame yourself a little bit. But being in magazines at that point, very questionable. You had to get out. So I couldn't do anything with these businesses. And as it happened, nor could anyone else, because my successors didn't really work it out either. But at that point, I thought, right, magazines are really compromised. I've got 30 more years of my career. What am I going to do? So I basically sat down and thought, what do I believe won't be digitally disrupted in the same way that I've got access to? And I realized that events were that, because I couldn't see a way that face-to-face physical human connection could be digitized very quickly. I think events have got real longevity, whereas magazines are screwed.